Hello and welcome to my short video of this VW California Coast. It's a new model, it's a T6.1. It's a used 20 plate and it comes fully VW approved. It also comes with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This particular California comes in Fortana red metallic. It's also a 4-berth and it comes with a manual pop-top roof in body colour. Now for a quick walk around the vehicle. To the front of the vehicle, it comes with front assist with emergency city braking, which is a popular choice for safety on the van range. It also comes with chrome mouldings in the centre grille and underneath the headlights. It also comes with front parking sensors, which is ideal for when you're parking the vehicle up in tight spaces. Both mirrors come power folding and heated. This particular California comes with colour-coded bumpers, mirror caps and door handles, painted in Fortana red metallic. It also comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. It also comes with a nice handy ventilation window, which is sliding in the window. Also in the pop-up roof, it has ventilation windows. To the rear of the California, it comes with a Coast decals on both sides. It also comes with very important hook-up points. To the rear of the California, it comes with a tailgate. It also comes with a heated rear window, rear wash wipe, and it also comes with rear parking sensors, which is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle in tight spaces. As I mentioned at the start of the video, as you can see, it comes in Fortana red, so it's painted the same colour. For this side of the vehicle, it comes with a black awning. It also comes with a side opening door. It has the ventilation on this side like the other side. It also has a Coast badging. And now for a quick look inside the vehicle. The interior comes with 4 comfortable seats. The fabric name is Mixed Dots and the colour is Palladium Grey. For the purpose of this video, I've turned the passenger seat round, but both front seats swivel around. This is ideal for entertaining in the living area, and it's also ideal for eating, which I'll show you later. It also comes with some armrests on the 2 front seats. This is ideal for long journeys for added comfort. It also comes, while the passenger seat is swiveled around, a handy power supply. Up above the cab is a double bed. This California comes with a leather wrapped steering wheel with a flat bottom. This is ideal for ease of getting in and out of the vehicle. It also comes with multimedia functions on both sides of the steering wheel. On this side of the steering wheel, it comes with cruise control functions. This vehicle has covered 4,566 miles. It also comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. It also comes with a system called App Connect, which allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphones through the device. It also comes with a facility called MirrorLink. MirrorLink is ideal for popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music. You can mirror link them onto the device so you can see all the songs and everything that you'd like to play on the device. It also comes with DAB radio. Just start the vehicle up. If you pop it into reverse, it has a parking aid facility. This covers you for the front and the rear of the vehicle, so it tells you when you're getting closer to a parked object. It also comes with air conditioning, 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. It also comes with 2 handy C charge USB ports. Inside the glove box, it comes with a refrigeration switch. Above the cab, it comes with the living room control unit. As you can see, the inside of the vehicle is immaculate and clean. And now to look at the living area. The rear living area comes with 2 comfortable seats that turns into a bed. It also comes with Isofix anchorage points underneath the bed. It comes with some handy accessories. As you can see, I've pulled down the blinds, but the side windows, the one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side, these are the blinds. It also comes with an awning pole, a Euro hookup point. It's quite easy to do. That strap there folds the bed into half, so you push it down, making sure the head rests at the back of the seat, and then you just slide the bed forward and it lies flat, so that's ideal. Inside the living area, it comes with a fridge. It also comes with a hob unit. It also comes with a sink unit. It also comes with some handy storage. It also comes with a cutlery compartment. It also comes with a table, so when I mentioned earlier you could swivel the seats round at the front, you can also entertain and eat for the 2 front passengers. At the back of the sliding door, it comes with a table. And now to the loading area. To the rear of the California, it has a nice load space underneath the bed. So when I mentioned earlier, it's quite easy to do to take the headrest down. You just clip that down, then pull them down. When you fold it out, that's the mattress. When I showed you the table inside the sliding door, that's a picnic table. And it also comes with 2 deck chairs in the rear tailgate. It also comes with a lot of handy storage. So you have some storage units up above. And you have some cupboards in there. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please call 0121 260 3000, and thank you for your time.